In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook food and water in Once Human. So, the first thing you want to do is open up your inventory by pressing I on your keyboard. Then you want to go to Memetics Cradle up here and open Memetics. And in here, you want to go up here to the third tab, which is called Logistics. In here, you want to unlock these stoves and unlock Dishes 1, okay? That's very important. Then what you want to do is head back out here and then go into build mode by pressing B on your keyboard. And then once you're in the build mode, you want to press right click to open up this kind of the build menu. And then you want to go inside facilities, and in here look for stove, okay? So this is what you need to get it. So copper ore, gravel, charcoal, and metal scarps. That's very easy to do, so simply just gather those. And then once you've gathered these, you want to place down your stove over here inside your build area, okay? So as you can see, I have it already. And then what you want to do is first walk up to it and press F. And in here, you will first have to get some dirty water. As you can see, dirty water, and you'll need some log. And then you can craft boiled water. You can press craft, and it will craft automatically. And you can also get roasted meat by obtaining any roasted meat from any animal, okay? So simply press craft over here, and you'll be able to get your basically your meat and your water, okay? So don't forget to collect it by clicking on it, as you can see over here. Now, also, the way to get dirty water is simply by walking up to the water, okay, to any water source in the game. So for me, this one is nearby, and then you can press G, and it will automatically collect dirty water. And if you want to get meat, any type of meat actually, you simply want to kill a specific animal and you'll get its meat. So that's how you cook food and water in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.